Today we are reviewing garlic prawn flavored Doritos, and what's the flavor?
This is the Sichuan peppercorn chicken flavor.
Benihana. I mean chicken flavor. So go. Okay. What are you trying?
This is the
Just one.
Sichuan peppercorn chicken. We'll try it.
Okay, and the mic is down here. That was the dumbest thing I've ever done. This one really does smell like garlic prawn. It smells very fishy. I don't really like that. I get this one 3 out of 10. What do you give yours?
Honestly, a 6 out of 10. I know what chicken tastes like. It's not because I'm black.
Did you have to say that?
Not bad. I'll try that one then.
How was that one, sir?
Better than this one.
Sure. Let me try that one.
Honestly, I like the one
That one don't taste that good.
I like the prawn one. It was like a 9 out of 10 to me.
They went to like the roasted Cheetos. It's like the Cheetos, but it's roasted chicken. It tastes just like it. So I get this one like a 5 out of 10. I don't really like that one. See you guys later.